Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel, where I always whip up something delicious for all the sweet tooths out there. But I also make sure the desserts are not only tasty, but healthy too. So let's get started. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Then, take 2 cups of rolled oats, pour them into a blender, and grind them up. Drop a comment and let me know where you like to do your grocery shopping: Walmart, Kroger, or Whole Foods. Transfer the ground oats to another bowl. Heat up 1 cup of milk, and pour it over the oats. Stir. And let the mixture sit for a while. Next, pour hot water over the dates and let them soak. While they're softening, peel and grate 2 apples. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes, and hit the bell icon. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support and kind comments. I read every single one. Add the apples to the oats and mix. Grate 1 medium carrot, and stir that into the batter. Then, mash a ripe banana with a fork and mix the banana puree into the batter. Now take some almonds and blend them into crumbs. Add the ground almonds to the batter. Zest the top orange layer of an orange peel. and mix the zest into the batter as well. Let's get back to the dates. Drain them, remove the pits, and blend into a paste. Add the date paste to the batter. Then pour in 2 fluid ounces of vegetable oil, or use butter if you prefer. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Now, go back to the eggs. Carefully separate the yolks and add them to the batter. Beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Then gently fold them into the batter using upward motions. The batter is ready. Grab a silicone baking tray. You can grease it lightly if you'd like. And spread the batter evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. While it's baking, leave me a comment below. What's your favorite dessert? And what would you like to see on the channel? I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's make the cream. Take 12 ounces of cream cheese, 12 ounces of sour cream, 4 fluid ounces of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix until smooth. Once the cake is done, take it out and slice it into 4 layers. Place the first layer on a serving plate and spread the cream on top. Repeat with the remaining layers. Chop some walnuts or any nuts you like. And sprinkle them on top. Decorate the cake with your favorite berries. Next, melt 4 ounces of sugar-free white chocolate with 3 ounces of heavy cream. Stirring constantly until fully melted. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix until smooth. Let the glaze cool slightly, then pour it over the cake. Let the cake chill in the fridge for a few hours, or better yet, overnight, to fully absorb the flavors. Time to taste our beautiful and aromatic dessert. Brew your favorite tea and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you've made something similar, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to read it. See you next time.